Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best wireless outdoor security cameras is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your home or business, offering peace of mind and a vigilant eye over your property, especially when you can't be there yourself. These advanced devices are designed to withstand the elements while providing crystal clear footage, ensuring that every detail is captured, day or night, making them an indispensable tool for modern security needs. Number 5. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home devices. It's designed for effortless use within the Apple ecosystem, offering a great solution for those who prefer no-subscription security cameras. Built to withstand the elements, this outdoor camera boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating. You can rely on its year-round performance to keep your home secure, no matter the weather. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. This security camera operates without requiring any monthly fees, making it a truly cost-effective choice. Benefit from an incredible 180-day battery life on just one charge. This provides extended, worry-free security monitoring with minimal maintenance, perfect for wireless outdoor cameras. Our intelligent human detection uses advanced recognition to accurately identify people. This elevates your security measures, providing a robust home security system without monthly fees. Capture every detail in stunning 1080p HD clarity. Its high-definition video ensures you don't miss a thing, day or night. See clearly even in low light with advanced night vision. Receive motion-only alerts to stay informed about important activity without unnecessary notifications. What we like. This system offers seamless integration with your Apple smart home. Its robust IP67 rating ensures it can withstand any weather condition. If you're looking for a long-lasting, low-maintenance wireless outdoor security camera that fits perfectly into your existing Apple ecosystem, this is the one to consider. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the area. Motion detection is highly sensitive and alerts are sent promptly to the phone. The night vision feature provides clear images even in complete darkness. Number 4. AOSU 3K5MP Solar Security Camera System. Experience a complete, all-around view of your property with our advanced PTZ technology. With just one tap, you can get a real-time, comprehensive look at your entire area. Enable smart tracking to follow the actions of anyone on your property. Receive instant alerts when motion is detected, and it will automatically follow the movement in crisp 3K resolution. See everything clearly, even in the dark, with our full-color night vision. It also features a smart spotlight and alarms to deter unwanted visitors, adding an extra layer of security. Communicate with visitors in real time using the two-way talk feature. Our AI noise reduction ensures your conversations are clear by filtering out background sounds. Setting up is quick and simple with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. You can easily share access with your family and friends. What we like. Experience complete property surveillance with its advanced pan-tilt zoom capabilities and quick patrol feature. The 3K resolution ensures crystal clear details, day or night, with vibrant color night vision. If you need comprehensive coverage and the ability to track motion automatically, this camera system is an excellent choice for keeping an eye on everything. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, ensuring comprehensive surveillance. Motion detection is highly sensitive, alerting users to any activity within its range promptly. The night vision feature provides clear black and white footage even in complete darkness. Number 3. PEEIPM Wireless Outdoor Solar Security Cameras. Experience true 2K high-definition image quality for clearer visuals. With Starlight night vision and built-in floodlights, you get colorful night vision, ensuring your family is always protected. Our advanced battery stores power for 1 to 3 months, while the solar panel provides a continuous, eco-friendly energy source. You'll never need to worry about recharging it. An audible alarm deters intruders, and a light alarm enhances security at night. Plus, communicate directly through the camera to warn unwanted visitors and secure your home. Intelligent AI analysis classifies alerts for packages, people, animals, and cars. This helps you prioritize important notifications and simplifies your home monitoring. With an IP66 waterproof rating, instant alerts, and customizable settings, it's perfect for outdoor security. Share access with family and monitor what matters most, all at once. What we like. Enjoy continuous power with its solar panel and high-capacity battery, eliminating frequent charging. It features a powerful sound and light alarm to deter intruders, especially at night. If you prioritize a truly wire-free experience with advanced AI detection for packages, people, and vehicles, this camera is ideal for hassle-free, continuous monitoring. What people say. The camera has a clear picture quality, even at night. Easy to install and set up, took me less than 15 minutes. The motion detection is very sensitive and picks up everything. Number 2. Hiseeu 3MP Outdoor Wi-Fi Security Camera. Experience a near-blind spot-free view with 360-degree pan and tilt capabilities. Its 3MP HD resolution ensures you capture every detail with exceptional clarity. Easily interact with your family and pets, even when you're away. With two-way audio, you can talk and listen through the device using our free app. See clearly in the dark with advanced color night vision. It extends your visibility up to 65 feet, ensuring a clear image even in low-light conditions. This device automatically tracks moving objects and sends instant alerts to your phone. Its integrated floodlight and alarm can deter unwanted visitors. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand harsh weather. This makes it the perfect choice for reliable outdoor security. Save your recordings locally with an SD card up to 128 GB, or opt for convenient cloud storage. You can choose the option that best suits your needs. What we like. This camera provides a sharp 3MP HD view with a wide 360 degrees pan and tilt range for minimal blind spots. Its auto-tracking feature follows moving objects, and the integrated floodlight with an alarm adds an extra layer of security. If you prefer a reliable plug-in power source for uninterrupted operation and need a camera that actively tracks and alerts you to movement, this is a solid option. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the area. Motion detection alerts are accurate and customizable, reducing false alarms. The night vision feature provides clear black and white images in low-light conditions. Number 1. COOAU 4MP Solar Security Camera 4Cam Kit. Enjoy peace of mind without monthly fees. This system includes 64 GB of local storage, saving you money and keeping your data private. It records even if your home network is unstable. Capture every detail with 2.5K Ultra HD resolution. Its advanced LEDs ensure clear footage of faces, day or night. Plus, efficient H.265 technology saves storage space without losing quality. Install it anywhere with ease thanks to solar power and minimal wiring. The 360 degrees pan and tilt feature provides complete coverage, eliminating blind spots for your home or business. Experience a more reliable connection with Wi-Fi 6 and dual-band support. This system offers wider coverage and significantly fewer dropouts, ensuring a stable signal even in remote areas. Manage all your cameras effortlessly with the user-friendly app. View feeds, adjust settings, and switch between night vision modes with just a tap. It even works with Alexa. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Contact us anytime for assistance or replacements. What we like. Capture evidence-level detail with its 4MP Ultra HD lens and benefit from included 64 GB local storage, saving you money on subscriptions. Its advanced Wi-Fi 6 and dual-band support ensure a stable, wider connection. If you're looking for high-resolution footage, cost savings through local storage, and a robust, stable wireless connection, this 4-camera kit is a great value. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad area. Motion detection is highly sensitive and sends instant alerts. The night vision feature provides clear images even in complete darkness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.